Welcome to another Smart Cards GED Test video tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn about multiplication. This tutorial corresponds with the quantitative problem-solving assessment target in the mathematics content area on the GED test. So let's go ahead and get started. In this tutorial, we're going to learn what the multiplication process is. We're going to see examples of single-digit multiplication, multi-digit multiplication, and we're going to go over our basic facts. The multiplication process is as follows. First, know your basic facts. To multiply, you only need to know your basic facts 0 through 9, as well as how to add. That's all multiplication is, your basic facts and adding. Next, every digit in the first factor is going to be multiplied by every digit in the second factor. Third, start multiplying in the ones place. Multiplication is a forward process. When we multiply, we will move forward from the ones place to the tens place to the hundreds place to the thousands place, etc. And lastly, add the cross products to achieve your final answer. Let's look at an illustration of single-digit multiplication. The multi-digit number A, B, C, D is one factor. The single-digit number E is the second factor. Every digit in A, B, C, D is going to be multiplied by E, regrouping if necessary, to produce the final answer L, M, N, O. 15 times 3. Let's start multiplying in the ones place, and if necessary, regroup as we go along. 3 times 5 is 15. Write down the 5, carry the 1. 3 times 1 is 3. Add on 1 more to get 4 for a final answer of 45. 126 times 4. Let's start multiplying in the ones place, and if necessary, regroup as we go along. 4 times 6 is 24. Write down the 4, carry the 2. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 more is 10. Write down the 0, carry the 1. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 more is 5, for a final answer of 504. Let's look at an illustration of multi-digit multiplication. The number A, B, C, D is one factor in this problem, and the number EF is the second factor in this problem. Each digit in the number EF is going to be multiplied by each digit in the number A, B, C, D. We'll start multiplying in the ones place. F will be multiplied by the D, the C, the B, and the A, regrouping if necessary. And because we are multiplying in the ones place, we will start writing the cross product, MNOP, in the ones place. Next, we move on to the tens place. E will be multiplied by the D, the C, the B, and the A, once again regrouping if necessary. Because we are now multiplying in the tens place, we will start writing the cross product XYZ in the tens place as well. Next, we'll add the cross products for the final answer DONE. 116 times 21. Let's start multiplying in the ones place, and we will also begin writing the first cross product in the ones place as well. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. The first cross product is 116. Now let's multiply the digit in the tens place and begin writing the second cross product in the tens place, regrouping if necessary. 2 times 6 is 12. Write down the 2 and carry the 1 to the tens place. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 more is 3. 2 times 1 is 2. The second cross product is 2, 3, 2. Now let's add the cross products together, starting in the ones place. 6 plus 0 is 6. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. Bring down the 2 for a final answer of 2,436. 201 times 100. Let's begin multiplying in the ones place and writing the first cross product in the ones place. 0 times 1 is 0. 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. The first cross product should be 0, 0, 0. Let's move on to the tens place and begin multiplying by the digit in the tens place, as well as writing the second cross product in the tens place. 0 times 1 is 0, 0 times 0 is 0, 0 times 2 is 0. The second cross product should be 0, 0, 0. Let's move on to the hundreds place and begin multiplying by the digit in the hundreds place and writing the third cross product in the hundreds place. 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 2 is 2. The third cross product should be 2, 0, 1. Now let's add all three cross products together. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0. Bring down the 2 for a final answer of 20,100. And lastly, this is the table of your basic multiplication facts 1 through 12. The numbers are out of order so that you will memorize the facts and not the skip counting pattern. Look at the numbers that are on the diagonal. What do you notice about the numbers that are above the diagonal compared to the numbers that are below the diagonal, and how can you use this information to help you memorize your basic facts? Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for a new tutorial next week, and if you're new to the Smart Cards YouTube channel, click the subscribe button.